Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a glimpse of the news through the headlines. Union Home Ministry orders inquiry into Parliament security breach incident. Both houses of Parliament continue to witness disruption following opposition uproar over security breach incident. Minister Conrad Sangma calls on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. North-East Petroleum Mazdoor Union withdraw decision to stop transporting fuels to Meghalaya. Fourth edition of Winter Tales inaugurated at Wards Lake. And now the news in detail. The Union Home Ministry has ordered an inquiry into the Parliament security breach incident on a request from the Lok Sabha Secretariat. The ministry spokesperson said an inquiry committee has been set up under Central Reserve Police Force CRPF Director General Dayal Singh, comprising members from other security agencies and experts. The inquiry committee will investigate into the reasons for breach in security of Parliament, identify lapses and recommend further action. The committee will submit its report with recommendations, including suggestions on improving security in Parliament at the earliest. Meanwhile, 8 security personnel has been suspended in yesterday's security breach incident in the Lok Sabha. The action has been taken by the Lok Sabha Secretariat against them for security lapses in Parliament. Both the Houses of Parliament today witnessed continuous disruption following opposition uproar over yesterday's Lok Sabha security breach incident. The Lok Sabha has been adjourned for the day, while the Rajya Sabha till 4 p.m. In the Lok Sabha, when the House met after the second adjournment at 3 p.m., opposition members continued with their sloganeering over the incident. They were demanding Home Minister Amit Shah's statement on the matter as well as action. A similar scene was witnessed in the Rajya Sabha. When the upper house reassembled after fourth adjournment at 3 p.m., members from Congress, TMC, DMK, LEFT, RJD, Shiv Sena UBT and others continued with their protests over security breach issue. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today called on the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and held discussions on topics of importance for Meghalaya. Earlier, he also met Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and requested her continued support in pursuing efforts for Meghalaya's growth and progress. The Minister for Food and Civil Supplies, Kamingwan Imbon, informed that the North-East Petroleum Mazdoor Union NEPMU withdrew the protest and the minister urged the people not to panic. He informed that the department held a meeting with the North-East Petroleum Mazdoor Union NEPMU, oil company and the Petrol Dealers Association today. The minister was categorical, asserting that the government will not interfere in the judicial process. Earlier today, the government held a crucial meeting with the union representatives at Ribhoi district. The strike had disrupted petroleum supply to Meghalaya, with the union demanding the release of arrested members allegedly involved in petroleum malpractice.
I'm very happy today, as per my knowledge, they informed me, DC Ribhoi also, they informed me that the case was these people from the Mazdoor Union to withdraw the strike. No, I request all the people in Meghalaya, don't panic. The petrol and diesel will come this evening only. No need to worry. As of now, we have the sufficient stocks.
The ITC Cementation India Limited initiated the renovation of the Umyam Bridge yesterday, addressing its expired lifespan and enhancing connectivity to Meghalaya. The repair work commenced with the drilling of holes, causing intermittent transportation halts and significant traffic disruptions, inconveniencing commuters between Shillong and Guwahati. Numerous travellers expressed dissatisfaction with the abrupt start of bridge repairs, citing a lack of proper public notice. The sudden route diversion through Umroi Airport to access Maulai VIP route from Guwahati to Shillong posed challenges for those unfamiliar with the alternative route. The manager of construction at ITC Cementation India Limited clarified that the company secured permission from the
और मंथ लगेंगे डे नाइट का अगर काम करते हैं डे नाइट करेंगे हम डैम के ऊपर हैवी व्हीकल जाने का परमिशन तो कहीं नहीं होता है हम लोग पहली जगह पे देख रहे हैं कि इसके ऊपर से हैवी व्हीकल ट्रैफिक जा रही है मगर अगर हमारा ट्रीटमेंट करने के बाद 25 साल का तो लाइफ रहता है मगर इसके ऊपर हैवी व्हीकल जाएंगे ये वो होगा तो उसके ऊपर बाद में डिपेंड करेगा क्या है प्रॉब्लम इसका स्ट्रेंथ जो है ना कम हो चुका है इसका जो पानी का प्रेशर जो लेने का कैपेसिटी है वो कम हो रहा है
In a significant move towards realizing the vision of Vikasit Bharat aimed at transforming India into a developed nation by 2047, the Bhoirimbong Community and Rural Development CNRD block organized a campaign meeting yesterday. The gathering was held at That Nong Yao area. The campaign sought to instill mass awareness among local residents regarding the ambitious objectives of Vikasit Bharat. The fourth edition of Winter Tales, organized by the Department of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya, was inaugurated today at the idyllic location of Wards Lake. Winter Tales strives for a natural and organic approach to events and festivities in Meghalaya by using items such as bamboo and jute wherever possible and limiting non-biodegradable and non-recyclable waste. Speaking as the chief guest on the program, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo expressed delight at the fourth edition of the Winter Tales under the theme of Come Clean, Go Green, stating that it is a timely message that while the citizens try to foster growth and development, the citizens should foster a sense.
Timely message that while we try to foster growth and development, we should also try to foster a sense of responsibility, that we do things responsibly, and as each one of you, I would encourage each one of you to visit these stalls, because you will see for yourself that everything, the materials used are all organic. There is nothing that is non-biodegradable, and this is something that tourism as a department has been trying to encourage.
The urban campaign of Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra VBSY reached Joa yesterday, where an elaborate program was held at Madan Lat Labor. The aim of the yatra is to achieve saturation of various welfare programs launched by the Government of India. Under the campaign, a specially designed IEC Information, Education, Communication van reached Lat Labor. Under the campaign, the camp was organized to offer services like free health checkups, on-spot facility to get Aadhaar cards issued, and also to update existing cards. The residents also came forward to get Ayushman Bharat health cards issued and gather awareness under PM Swanidhi scheme. The Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra recently reached the heart of southwest Garo Hills, Ampati, benefiting villages like Beta Singh and Samati Gao. And among the schemes highlighted were PM Kisan, Soil Health Card, Natural Farming and Kisan Credit Card. During the visit, the village Gaumbura of Samati Gao shared the positive impacts these schemes have had on the local community. The Yatra aims to achieve saturation of various welfare programs launched by the Government of India. Maukarwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar yesterday inaugurated the much-awaited Urnar Falls viewpoint at Maurab village, southwest Khasi Hills district, which has been constructed at the cost of Rs 2.50 lakhs through the MLA scheme under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. The Urnar Falls viewpoint was managed by the Sharailang Tourism Cooperative Society Limited, Maurab. Speaking on the occasion, Tongkhar said that Maukarwat area and southwest Khasi Hills district as a whole has many tourist spots which can attract tourists from different parts of the country.
Kalau perlu yang ban siam bagi juga jumut bangin persia, ban sedang AA ban AA nak tak ada viewpoint hang ni, ban yo ban senai kena viewpoint lah kalong hak je sedang kabaret. Hak bangalayo ban penkedau nanti nak skim yang Chief Minister, hak bangalayo ban pihak kendet, hak proposal juga akum MLA, ban yo ban bo arlak sistem, ban yo ban senai kena viewpoint. Kawai ka bangamot banay kublay kerpang kapang kalau yang kena kamersim jong kajiya trailan. Hakan na kajing persyang kabaret kajongi. Ban bo ini skim kabaret ban longtong kong kajing sedang.
And now the weather report. Maximum temperature was recorded at 14.8 degrees Celsius while minimum temperature 4.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 76%, which rose in the evening to 77%. Forecast: dry weather and shallow to moderate fog is most likely to occur in isolated places. Before we wind out, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Home Ministry orders inquiry into Parliament security breach incident. Both houses of Parliament continue to witness disruption following opposition uproar over security breach incident. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma calls on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Northeast Petroleum must do union withdraw decision to stop transporting fuels to Meghalaya. Fourth edition of Winter Tales inaugurated at Wards Lake. Well, viewers, that's all we have for today. Till we meet again tomorrow evening, same time, same channel. Have a great evening ahead.